Imagine a world where every manufacturing process is flawless, where production is efficient, and where products are of the highest quality. A world where robots work alongside humans, making the manufacturing process faster, more efficient, and more cost-effective. Well, this world is closer than you might think, thanks to AI and the future of automation. Welcome to our video on AI and manufacturing, the future of automation. Automation has been a buzzword in the manufacturing industry for several years now, and the rise of AI is only increasing its relevance. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming the manufacturing industry and what it means for the future of automation. But first, let's start with a hook. Manufacturing has always been a labor-intensive industry. But with the advent of automation, the sector has witnessed a massive transformation. Today, manufacturers use machines, robots, and other forms of automation to perform tasks that were once the sole responsibility of human workers. But what if we told you that AI could take automation to the next level? AI is transforming manufacturing by enabling machines to learn and adapt to changing circumstances. With AI, machines can identify patterns, make decisions, and even detect defects in products. This level of automation is changing the manufacturing industry as we know it, making it more efficient, productive, and cost-effective. One area where AI is having a significant impact is in predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance involves using data to predict when a machine is likely to fail, allowing manufacturers to schedule maintenance before it becomes a problem. With AI, manufacturers can take predictive maintenance to the next level by analyzing vast amounts of data and using machine learning algorithms to predict when maintenance is needed. Another area where AI is transforming manufacturing is in quality control. Quality control is a critical part of the manufacturing process, as it ensures that products meet the required standards. With AI, manufacturers can use machine learning algorithms to detect defects in products, reducing the need for manual inspections and improving the overall quality of the products. AI is also helping to improve the speed and efficiency of manufacturing processes. By using AI to optimize production processes, manufacturers can reduce waste and improve the speed at which products are produced. For example, AI can be used to optimize the flow of materials through the production line, ensuring that the right materials are in the right place at the right time. One of the most significant benefits of AI in manufacturing is that it can work alongside human workers. This collaboration between humans and machines is known as collaborative robotics, and it's changing the manufacturing industry. By working alongside robots, human workers can focus on tasks that require human skills, such as creativity and problem solving, while the robots handle repetitive tasks. The future of automation in manufacturing is bright, thanks to AI. As machines become more intelligent and adaptive, they will be able to take on more complex tasks, making the manufacturing process even more efficient. For example, AI-powered robots could be used to assemble complex products that are currently too difficult or time-consuming for humans to assemble. In conclusion, AI is transforming the manufacturing industry, making it more efficient, productive, and cost-effective. With the help of AI, manufacturers can improve predictive maintenance, quality control, and production processes. They can also work alongside robots, enabling them to focus on tasks that require human skills. The future of automation in manufacturing is bright, and we can't wait to see how AI will continue to revolutionize the industry. Thank you for watching.